In Organon of Medicine, Samuel Hahnemann explains in Aphorism 5 to 18 how a physician should properly understand the disease before it attempts to cure it. These aphorisms emphasize careful observation of the patient and the importance of the symptoms in homeopathic practice. Now we'll see the aphorism 5th. Knowledge of the patient, that is, Hahnemann explains that while studying disease, the physician must consider factors such as exciting causes of the illness, the patient's constitution, lifestyle, and the environment. For example, a person may develop headache due to stress, lack of sleep, or excessive mental work. Understanding these factors helps the physician understand the true nature of the disease. Then in Aphorism 6, disease knowledge through the symptoms. Hahnemann clearly states that disease can only be known through the totality of symptoms presented by the patient. In homeopathy, the physician does not rely only on the disease name, but carefully studies all the signs and symptoms expressed by the patient. Then next aphorism is the 7th one. Removal of the symptoms means cure. According to Hahnemann, when the totality of symptom is removed, the disease itself is cured. This means the physician must prescribe a remedy that corresponds to the complete symptom picture of the patient. The next one is the 8th aphorism is the disease is dynamic. Hahnemann explains that disease is not merely a structural change in the body, but a dynamic disturbance of the vital force. This concept highlights the idea that illness first affects the vital energy and later physical symptoms they appear. Next aphorism from 9 to 18. Importance of symptom observation. In this aphorism, Hahnemann further emphasizes that the importance of careful observation of symptoms and understanding the patient's condition in detail. The physician must study mental symptoms, physical symptoms, modalities, factors that worsens or improve the symptoms, then individual characteristics of the patient. These observations form the totality of the symptoms, which becomes the guide for selecting the correct homeopathic remedy. Now we will see the concluding part. Thus, aphorism 5 to 18 of the Organon of Medicine teach physician that the key to successful treatment lies in accurate understanding of the disease through the totality of the symptoms. By carefully observing the patient and identifying all characteristic symptoms, the homeopathic physician can select the most appropriate remedy and achieve the true healing. Thank you.